Okay, here is the salt. We're putting the salt in the plate. And I'd use a little packet because I use Himalayan salt. I don't know if that would work. And then here's some pepper. And then let's put a little more in there. And then here's my balloon. And rub it on my hair. And then touch it to the pepper. And oh my gosh, all the pepper's popping up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's totally, it's fully like alive. You can see it. It's totally pulling it all up. It's making so much noise. I guess my hair was really staticky. Let's see how much we can get on there. All right, and there, there is the pepper that it pulled up from the plate. That's awesome.